Welcome back to the Excel Basics course. If you're looking to make your Excel sheets look professional and easy to read, this lesson is for you. Today, we'll learn how to format numbers in Excel. Whether it's dates, revenue figures, or percentages, you'll know exactly how to make them clear and organized. Let's start with a messy data set that's hard to read. First, we select the entire data range we want to format. For dates, we right-click, choose Format Cells, go to Custom or Date, and select the format we want, like DD, MM, YYY. For revenue, we again right-click, choose Format Cells, go to Number, and select options like adding 1,000 separators, commas, to make large numbers more readable. For percentages, we right-click, go to Format Cells, and select Percentage. This automatically formats your growth rates or ratios into percentage form, like 15% or 42%, making them clear at a glance. Lastly, we can align our data neatly using the Center Align option, giving the spreadsheet a clean, professional look. And just like that, our sheet looks much more polished. Remember, formatting numbers properly is essential for clear professional reports in Excel. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out the full Excel course playlist to keep learning.